I'm back with another video. This time we're doing a sublimation, like a drawstring bag. We got the heat set on 400 degrees. We're doing it for 60 seconds. Make sure you put your paper on the inside to protect it, like so. Mirror the image. You can buy all of these products on our website, ERCPRINTING. Okay, line it up. Okay, like that. I'm out of my paper at the moment, my parchment paper, but we're gonna use this regular paper right here to cover it up. Cover it up. Alright, here we go. 60 seconds. Be sure to like and subscribe as well. Feel free to send an email or contact us via the form on the website. We're approaching 30 seconds on the heat press right now. We will leave the links below. You can purchase the paper as well on our website. All the blanks you need, t-shirts, all the supplies you may need, you can be sure to contact us. ERCPRINTING. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video.